One thing, girl, wait a minute. Oh, no. Wait a minute. Check this out. Once I put this on, y'all, this is gonna look nice as hell. Okay, so the hair comes packaged pretty well. I smell something. It's a very pleasant smell. It smells really good. I don't know if they spray like perfume or something on the hair, but it smells really good. This wig is really heavy. The density feels pretty thick as well, but the wig itself feels heavy, and I've never had a wig that actually feels heavy. Usually wigs that I make on my own is what is kind of on the heavy side because I'll put 4 bundles in my head. One thing, girl, wait a minute. Oh, no. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me find out they done listen to what I've been saying about these parts, honey, because some of these wig companies in these ugly parts they be sending. Check this out. I don't know if y'all can see that yet, but once I put this on, y'all, this is going to look nice as hell. Like how they pluck this part. Girl, I'm not even going to have to put foundation on. Girl, let's try it. I can definitely tell this hairline has been plucked. Baby hairs have been cut. Baby hairs are looking a little stiff though. But I can definitely tell there's been some plucking going on. Comes with an elastic band. One thing I'm noticing compared to other wig companies is the elastic band is sewed onto the wig cap, which is pretty good because sometimes when you have the elastic band that actually clips on the wig, it can come off. The wig also comes with combs. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. Let me stop talking and put it on because I want to see what it. Ooh. Yes, honey. Yes. Girl. Okay, let's do it. Wow, this is really ready to go. Like no bleaching whatsoever. Like I just wanted you guys to actually see this wig before I do anything to it, and I'm really not going to do anything to it. Super duper soft hair, super duper. What is this smell on this wig though? I don't know what the hell it is, but it smells really, really good. Okay, so off camera, I went on ahead and cut the lace. If you want to see how I cut the lace off of my wigs, I'll have that link below. But one thing I can say about Hair VV is all of their wigs are pretty much ready to put on as soon as you get the wig out the box. So I'm here for it. This is what the wig is looking like. No heat, no styling, no nothing. Just straight out the box with the lace cut, laid. Honey, I can literally go out the door just like this, and I'm just showing you guys how full this hair is. Also, you get about 6 inches of parting space on this wig, so if you are a girl who love yourself some parting space, this is the wig for you. I am honestly impressed with this wig and this hair company because I literally had to do nothing to this wig. Me touching up the hairline and doing the baby hairs is just an extra step that I really did not have to do. But as you guys saw earlier in the video, I could have wore this wig straight out the box. Like, only thing I really had to do was cut the lace and put the wig on. All that extra stuff that we have to do to make our wig look super nice and super natural, girl, you don't even have to do that with this wig. Like, it is literally one of those wigs that has been prepared for you. You don't have to bleach, you don't have to pluck, and really you don't even have to flat iron this hair because it comes already silky straight. Like, do you see how good this wig looks? But let me just talk about this part one more time because I don't think y'all understand how serious this parting space is on this wig. First off, The simple fact that I did not have to do any plucking, no foundation, says a lot about this company listening to what wig wearers need in a good quality wig, and they have nailed it completely. I absolutely love this wig. I love the simple fact that they took their time to create this wig and understand what the needs are to achieve a natural looking wig, and they nailed it. This is a wig that you need to have. I know I say that with quite a few wigs, but this is a wig that is perfect for beginners who do not have the time or don't know how to slay their wigs. Like, girl, get your life and get this wig and stop playing with yourself. I promise you'll love it.